Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you what do the buttons do on the JBL Clip 5. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their JBL Clip 5 and are wondering what all the buttons do. So to simply put, there's 6 buttons on the JBL. You have 3 right over here, and then you have 3 on the side right over here as well. You have this button here, which is the volume down button. Okay, so if you press this, the volume of the music is going to go down. This right here is the pause and play button, but it also functions 2 different purposes as well, or technically 3. So if you press this button here, it's going to pause or play the music or phone call. If you double press it, it's going to go ahead and skip to the next track. And then if you press this 3 times, it's going to skip to the previous track. So keeping that in mind that this has a multitude of different uses as far as pausing, playing, skipping to the next track, and then skipping to the previous track. Right next to it, we have the volume up button, which is this right over here. Then on the side, we have the power button, which turns on and off the JBL Clip 5. Then you have the Bluetooth button, which turns the JBL Clip 5 into Bluetooth pairing mode. And then right over here, you have what they call an Auracast button. So what this does is that it enables a connection to other JBL speakers that also have Auracast. So if you have multiple Clip 5s, JBL Clip 5s, you can actually Auracast them all together. In addition, you do have to make sure that the other JBL speaker is also Auracast compatible. So you'll see this icon right over here that shows that a JBL speaker is Auracast compatible, which means that all these other JBL speakers can connect and play music at the same time. But I hope this helped you out, guys, as far as figuring out what do the buttons do on the JBL Clip 5. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below.